Mix Daily Top 10 with VJ Nikki.
That's right, and of course, and VJ Janine.
Oo,
And of
tama.
course, we are still here at UST, at the 7th USTV.
Students' Choice Award.
That is right, and we are here because
We're nominated!
Oh my God,
Excited tayo maging
Kaya nga,
nominated.
ito lang ang ang pinagdadasal ko. Na pag-akit natin ng stage, ay hindi tayo sabihin na to.
Ay,
Diba?
ito, oo.
Baka
wag
yun ang
na.
sabihin sa atin eh. Oo.
Wag na.
Yes.
Okay lang, but yun nga, we're nominated for Students' Choice for Music Channel na
Which is a first.
time. It's the first time that they have this category in the USTV Award. So we're very honored and we're excited to know whether we win. Pero ito, nominado siya.
Aba,
Sobrang
talaga?
dami niyang nominations. 8. Siya yung pinakamaraming nominations sa Mix
Akala,
Music Award 2011.
Ate, wag na natin patagalin pa. 2 days to number 4 years. Wag na ba yan? Constantino.